A video of a man's technique of loading a truck with tomatoes is viral. Some videos of Jugaad can make one truly amazed, and this video of a man loading a truck with fresh tomatoes is a perfect addition to that genre of interesting videos. Shared on Twitter by Sagar, the video is something that you are going to watch on loop. The clip shows a man filling up a truck with tomatoes. As the video goes on, the camera zooms towards the man's technique of loading the truck. He fills up baskets of tomatoes and throws the basket at such an angle that the tomatoes are seen landing in the truck. Power of Arnold, brain of Einstein. Read the caption. The clip has over 10 million views and tons of reactions. People were surprised to see the man's skills. Many wrote about how he deserved a prize for completing his job effortlessly and with the help of a little physics.